Welcome to our channel. We are Monica and Sam. We live in Quito, Ecuador, and recently we took a trip to Anchorage, Alaska. This video is about our trip to the Eagle River Valley and a short hike that we took there. If you like our videos, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon to give us a like and to subscribe to our channel. It is a great free way to help us. Please also do not forget to share our videos with your family and friends. The beauty of the Eagle River Valley was noticeable as we began our drive along the Eagle River Road. Residential areas gave way to breathtaking views of glacially carved mountains. After a short 12-mile drive, we reached the Log Cabin Nature Center, a threshold for connecting to the ever changing landscape beyond. The Nature Center is operated by a small grassroots non-profit organization. After paying the $5 parking, we were given maps to the walking trails. We chose to walk the shortest trail to the Beaver deck and the Salmon deck.
Albert Loop Trail, Rodak Nature Trail.
No, we have to go on the first one, which is the Beaver deck and the Salmon deck.
Okay, so that's
That is the shortest.
So that's that way.
Yeah. So this has been constructed by beavers.
Baby, yo quiero una foto aquí. From there, para que se vea todo eso, qué hermoso. Tomémonos una selfie. Mira ese sendero.
It is interesting to note that the lake behind us was created by beavers who dammed the Eagle River. This lake, now abandoned by the beavers, provides a rich habitat for breeding salmon and other fish, as well as several other species of aquatic animals and insects. It is for this reason that the viewing platform where we are standing at this time is called the Beaver's Deck.
¿Quieres que le limpie ese snow de este letrero?
No, no, no. Se parece más bonito así. This area of the lake, which is upstream from the portion dammed by the beavers, is the area where millions of salmon come to breed every summer. And for this reason, the viewing platform is called the salmon deck.
Ok. Venga. Eso es mi próxima casa.
Wow, who did that? A woody woodpecker, giant.
Mira, vas allá, cerca de este árbol. Eso.